The 21st century dawned with the promise of a digital revolution. The internet was transforming everything. From communication to commerce, the world was changing at an electrifying pace. But one realm remained stubbornly stuck in the past: music. Hey there, Stock Studio community. Welcome back to another epic video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified every time we post awesome content like this. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of a music streaming giant that changed the way we listen to music: Spotify. Buckle up, because this story is going to be legendary. Plagued by piracy and struggling to adapt, the music industry was ripe for a shakeup. Then, from the land of ABBA and IKEA came a solution. A simple yet radical idea that would change how we listen to music forever. Enter Spotify. Spotify, the brainchild of two Swedish entrepreneurs, was more than just another tech startup. It was a cultural phenomenon, a revolution in the making. It offered a solution to a long-standing problem: how to give music lovers access to millions of songs while fairly compensating artists and rights holders. This was not just about technology. It was about creating a sustainable ecosystem for music to thrive in the digital age. The story of Spotify is a testament to the power of innovation. It is a story of disruption and resilience, of battles won and challenges overcome. It is a story that resonates with millions around the world who can now access a universe of music at their fingertips. It is a story that continues to unfold, promising an exciting future for music lovers and investors alike. Daniel Ek, a young, driven tech prodigy, saw the future. The internet was the new frontier, and he was determined to conquer it. But not with just another social network or online store. Ek had a passion for music, a deep understanding of technology, and a vision for something truly groundbreaking. He believed that music, like information, should be free. But he also knew that artists deserved to be paid for their work. He needed a solution that could bridge this divide. Enter Martin Lorentzon, a seasoned entrepreneur with a knack for business. Lorentzon saw the potential in Ek's vision. He recognized the need for a legal, user-friendly platform that could satisfy both music lovers and the music industry. Together, they embarked on a mission to build this platform. They named it Spotify, a name born from a misunderstanding, a word shouted across a room, but one that would soon become synonymous with music streaming. Their journey was not without its hurdles. The music industry, scarred by the piracy wave of the early 2000s, was initially hesitant. Convincing record labels to embrace this new model was a challenge. Negotiations were tough, skepticism was high, but Ek and Lorentzon persevered. They believed in their vision, and their passion was contagious. Spotify's launch in 2008 was a watershed moment. The music industry, long resistant to change, was finally forced to confront the digital revolution head-on. The old model of physical albums and paid downloads was crumbling. Piracy was rampant. The industry was in desperate need of a lifeline. Spotify offered a compelling alternative: a legal platform with a vast library of songs, accessible anytime, anywhere. A freemium model that allowed users to listen for free with ads or subscribe for an ad-free experience. It was a radical concept that quickly gained traction. The initial response was overwhelmingly positive. Users flocked to the platform, eager to explore its vast catalog. Artists, initially wary, began to see the benefits. Spotify offered a new avenue for discovery, a way to reach a wider audience. The music industry, while still cautious, started to warm up to this new player. The tides were turning. Spotify's success was not just about technology. It was about understanding the changing dynamics of music consumption. It was about recognizing the shift from ownership to access. It was about creating a platform that was not just functional but also enjoyable and intuitive. Spotify was not just disrupting the music industry, it was redefining it. At the heart of Spotify's success lay its innovative business model. The freemium model, a concept still relatively new at the time, proved to be a stroke of genius. It allowed Spotify to attract a massive user base, offering a taste of its services for free while enticing users to upgrade for a premium, ad-free experience. This two-tiered system was a win-win. Free users provided valuable data and market reach, while premium subscribers generated revenue and fueled growth. The freemium model allowed Spotify to scale rapidly, amassing millions of users in a short span of time. The success of the freemium model was not without its critics. Some argued that it devalued music, making it too readily available. Others questioned the sustainability of a model that relied heavily on a small percentage of paying subscribers. However, Spotify remained steadfast in its approach. They believed that the freemium model was crucial for building a large and engaged user base. The freemium model was not just a clever marketing strategy, it was a philosophical statement. Spotify believed in making music accessible to everyone, regardless of their ability to pay. It was a democratic vision for music consumption, a belief that music should be a shared experience, not a luxury reserved for the privileged few. As Spotify's user base swelled into the hundreds of millions, its ambitions grew. The company was no longer content with being just a European success story. They set their sights on global domination. Expansion into new markets became a top priority. Spotify aggressively pursued licensing deals with record labels worldwide, expanding its reach to new continents and cultures. In 2018, Spotify took a bold step, listing its shares on the New York Stock Exchange. This move signaled Spotify's arrival as a major player in the tech world. It was a coming-of-age moment for the company, a testament to its remarkable growth and global ambitions. The IPO was a resounding success, raising billions of dollars and solidifying Spotify's position as a leader in the music streaming industry. Going public brought new challenges and scrutiny. Spotify's financial performance was now under the microscope. Investors demanded growth and profitability. Competition in the streaming market intensified, but Spotify was prepared for the challenge. They had built a solid foundation and were well-positioned to navigate the turbulent waters of the public market. Spotify's ambitions extended beyond music. Recognizing the growing popularity of podcasts, they saw an opportunity to become a one-stop shop for all things audio. They began investing heavily in podcasting, acquiring popular platforms and signing exclusive deals with high-profile podcasters. This strategic move proved to be a masterstroke. Podcasts brought a new dimension to Spotify's offerings, attracting a wider audience and diversifying its revenue streams. The integration of podcasts into the Spotify platform was seamless. Users embraced the convenience of having their favorite music and podcasts in one place. Podcasters benefited from Spotify's massive reach, gaining access to a global audience. Spotify's foray into podcasting was a testament to its adaptability and its commitment to staying ahead of the curve. Podcasts were not just a side project for Spotify, they were a strategic imperative. They represented a new frontier in audio entertainment, a rapidly growing market with immense potential. Spotify was determined to be at the forefront of this revolution, solidifying its position as a leader in the broader audio landscape. Spotify's success did not go unnoticed. Tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google, recognizing the potential of music streaming, entered the fray. The competition intensified, turning into a battle of titans. Each player brought its own strengths and strategies, vying for market share in a rapidly evolving landscape. Spotify, despite its early lead, faced formidable challenges. Apple leveraged its massive user base and brand loyalty. Amazon utilized its e-commerce dominance to bundle music streaming with its Prime service. Google harnessed its search engine prowess to promote its music offerings. Spotify, however, refused to back down. They doubled down on innovation, introducing new features, personalizing the listening experience, and expanding their content library. They forged strategic partnerships, integrating their services with other platforms and devices. They continued to refine their freemium model, finding new ways to attract and retain users. The battle for music streaming supremacy was far from over. The landscape was constantly shifting, with new players emerging and existing ones adapting. Spotify, despite the fierce competition, remained a major force, its brand synonymous with music streaming, its commitment to innovation unwavering. Spotify's impact on music lovers was undeniable. Millions around the world embraced the platform, praising its vast selection, user-friendly interface, and personalized recommendations. The ability to discover new music, create custom playlists, and share musical experiences with friends became an integral part of their lives. Spotify was no longer just a music streaming app, it was a soundtrack to their lives, a companion for their daily routines and special moments. However, Spotify's success was not without its critics. Some users voiced concerns over the platform's algorithm, claiming it created echo chambers, reinforcing existing tastes rather than exposing users to new genres and artists. Others criticized the royalty rates paid to artists, arguing that Spotify's model did not adequately compensate creators for their work. Despite the critiques, Spotify remained committed to its mission, to make music accessible to everyone. They continued to refine their algorithms, striving to balance personalization with discovery. They engaged in ongoing dialogues with artists and rights holders, seeking a fair and sustainable model for music streaming. Spotify's journey was a testament to the challenges and complexities of building a platform that caters to the needs of both consumers and creators. Spotify's financial performance was a subject of intense scrutiny. Analysts meticulously dissected its quarterly earnings reports, evaluating its subscriber growth, revenue streams, and profitability margins. The company's stock price fluctuated, reflecting investor sentiment and market expectations. Spotify's reliance on the freemium model, while successful in building a massive user base, raised concerns about its long-term profitability. The high costs of licensing music content put pressure on margins. Competition from tech giants added to the financial challenges. Despite these challenges, Spotify's overall financial health was generally perceived as solid. The company consistently grew its subscriber base, demonstrating the continued appeal of its platform. Its expansion into podcasting opened up new revenue streams and attracted a wider audience. Spotify's investments in technology and innovation positioned it well for the future. Analysts acknowledge Spotify's leadership position in the music streaming market. They recognize the company's strong brand recognition, global reach, and commitment to innovation. While challenges remained, Spotify's overall trajectory pointed towards continued growth and a promising future. The music industry was in constant flux, driven by technological advancements, evolving consumer preferences, and the ever-present quest for innovation. Spotify, at the forefront of this revolution, faced a future filled with both opportunities and uncertainties. The rise of artificial intelligence promised to further personalize the listening experience, creating even more tailored recommendations and potentially even generating music based on user preferences. The integration of virtual and augmented reality could transform music consumption, immersing users in interactive sonic landscapes. Spotify's expansion into emerging markets, particularly in Asia and Africa, presented enormous growth potential. The company's commitment to podcasting positioned it well to capitalize on the burgeoning audio entertainment market. Spotify's strategic partnerships with other tech companies, automobile manufacturers, and gaming platforms promised to integrate music streaming into various aspects of daily life. The future of music was inextricably linked to the future of Spotify. The company's ability to adapt, innovate, and navigate the complex dynamics of the music industry would determine its long-term success. Spotify's journey was a testament to the transformative power of technology and the enduring allure of music. Spotify's impact on the music industry was undeniable. The company had revolutionized how we consume music, democratizing access, empowering artists, and creating a vibrant ecosystem for music to thrive in the digital age. Spotify's freemium model, despite its critics, had proven to be a successful strategy, attracting a massive user base and generating significant revenue. The company's expansion into podcasting had further solidified its position as a leader in the audio entertainment market. Spotify's legacy extended beyond its financial success. The company had fundamentally changed our relationship with music. Music was no longer a commodity to be owned, but a service to be accessed. The ability to explore a vast library of songs, discover new artists, and share musical experiences had become an integral part of our daily lives. Spotify's impact on culture was profound, shaping how we listen to, share, and experience music. Spotify's journey was far from over. The company faced ongoing challenges, from fierce competition to evolving user expectations. But its commitment to innovation, its dedication to artists, and its unwavering belief in the power of music promised a bright future. The Spotify saga was a testament to the transformative power of technology and the enduring allure of music, a story that continues to unfold, shaping the soundtrack of our lives.